In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to decline a money request on PayPal 2023. Cancel a money request in PayPal. If you've received a request you don't recognize or you simply don't want to pay it, I'll walk you through the exact steps on the PayPal website using a desktop browser and share a few tips to help you stay safe and organized. First, open your preferred desktop browser and go to the official PayPal website. Sign in with your account credentials as you normally would. For security, make sure you're on the legitimate PayPal address and that your browser shows a secure connection. If you're on a shared or public computer, plan to sign out when you're done. Once you're logged in, head straight to the Activity section. You'll find it in the main menu at the top of the page. Activity is your hub for everything that's happened on your account: completed payments, pending requests, and invoices. This is where you can review what was sent to you and decide what to do next. Locate the money request or invoice you want to decline. It may be labeled as a money request if someone asked you for funds directly, or it might appear as an invoice if a business or individual sent you a billed item. Click the entry to open its details. Take a quick moment here to confirm the sender, the amount, and any description. If anything looks suspicious, trust your instincts and proceed carefully. On the request or invoice page, look for the option that says Cancel or Decline. The exact wording can vary, but it will be clearly visible on the page. Click Cancel or Decline, and when the confirmation prompt appears, choose Yes to confirm. That's it. Your action will notify the sender that you aren't paying, and the request will no longer appear as pending on your end. If you don't see a Cancel or Decline button, a few things could be going on. The request may already be completed, expired, or withdrawn by the sender. In those cases, you won't be able to cancel it because there's nothing left to decline. If you accidentally paid a request, canceling isn't an option. Instead, consider contacting the sender for a refund or reviewing PayPal's resolution options. As a final tip, keep an eye on your activity after declining to make sure everything looks right, and log out if you're on a shared device. That's all you need to do to safely decline a money request or cancel an invoice on PayPal from your desktop.